Happy birthday. Today is March 17,
Another birthday.
2025.
Welcome.
Yan ang hot spring.
Spring sa Itogon.
Sa Itogon Benguet. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Itogon ulit. Sa hot spring with swimming pool. Hot swimming pool. As you can see, ang ganda ng view. Dito, look at that. You know, pati sinag ng araw, ganda. So, ayun, ang birthday celebrant. That I was born. Birthday celebrant, nag-swimming. Kanyang request. Dito mag-onsen, hot spring, and swimming. Ganda ng view, oh. Okay, what can you say?
Pang 20 laps ko na to.
Oh my gosh.
Long live, long life.
Okay,
Happy birthday.
wish you all the luck. Wish you all the best. 58th birthday, March 17, 2025. Here in Itogon Benguet, hot spring. Ito oh, hot spring. 58th birthday. Hello.
Ayan, birthday celebrant.
Birthday celebrant.